Hey guys, thanks so much for joining us here. This is here. So today we'll show you the progress of Viaduct Highway. So the Viaduct Highway is an overpass that will move from Nairobi CBD up to Ngong Road. So just see for yourselves. I think most of us were asking themselves whether these trees will be brought down or not. So the answer I gave you was yes. So today all the trees are down. But they are doing something very interesting here because they are planting new trees of the same type. If it's jacaranda, they are planting jacaranda in the maybe in one of the halls directly opposite or directly adjacent to the old tree. So they've brought down all the trees here, and as you can see, we don't have any trees here again because all of them are down. I think you can see the cathedral where most of the trees were. This is a cathedral, so most of the trees here are down. The field is clear for the overpasses to start being erected here. So in the next few weeks, you will start seeing some of the pillars here. So the pillars are yet to be erected, but once they do that, we'll just be coming back here to maybe show you the progress of this overpass here. So this is along Kenyatta Avenue. So as you can see, we have new trees being planted here. I think you can see them. You can see them nicely on your screen. So these are a very nice move. You see, if you cut down a tree, it's good you always plant maybe one or more. You can see the trees. New trees have been planted here. So deforestation and afforestation has just been done here at the same time because they've done a very nice job. So these walkways that you are seeing here want to be here next time because all of them are being demolished. I think you can see for yourselves. So they will remove all of these walkways here, maybe to pave way for the overpass. I'll update you on that once they have started removing them. But for today, please just subscribe, just like the video. Please keep tuned every time we upload a new video. Next time we will show you here very nice pillar. So thank you so much. This was here. I really appreciate your presence here. I really appreciate your support, maybe to make what is here the best YouTube channel. Thank you so much.